Hello guys! In this video, I am going to show you guys how to create a website from a blank template on Squarespace. For that, what you need to do is go to your Squarespace website, and from there, you're going to log in and move to your home dashboard. Here you see I have so many websites. Go to just a new one by clicking on Create Website. Here, you see you have so many options here: photography, design, whatever you want. I'm choosing a photography one. You can choose that what do you want to do with your website. Let's just say I'm going to choose, there's so many options. You see, publish a blog or other media, sell memberships, collect donations. Just click on next. You can choose whatever you want. Go to your Blueprint, AI, or Designer templates. What I'm going to do is click on Designer templates. So, on Squarespace, there used to be an option for all the users to create a new website from the blank template, and now it has been removed. Still, it is available for most of the people who fulfill certain criteria. But since we don't have it here, the criteria includes 3 to 4 sites or 3 to 4 websites you must complete and publish them on Squarespace, or this is some of the criteria that you must fulfill to get that template. But from here, I'm going to go to Build with Blueprint AI. It is also very simple. And I think this one is the better option. Usually I don't go with AIs, but this option is worth it because it does not require much labor. But you can easily create a new website from scratch by answering the simple question, which I don't think is very difficult to do. AI is going here. Choose the site title. What do you want the title to be of your site? Just simply write it here. I just say 1, 2, 3 ABC. You can write whatever you want. Brand personality. Do you want it to be playful, sophisticated, friendly, bold, quirky, or innovative? Let's just look at this, that how innovative look. Here, after completing this, you guys are going to move forward to all these options. Let's just check out the playful one. I am really curious to check out all these options, what my AI offers. Just go to the innovative one and next. Here, now you have to build your homepage. That how do you want it to be? Do you want the introduction section there, product section, service section, appointments, digital product section, about section, and social section? Let's just click whatever I want on my website. I want all these things on my website. Now it is going to ask you to choose your pages. That what do you want? Add pages to your site. I am going to choose all of them. Here I am going to choose a color palette for my website. Let's just there are so many options. Here, it is categorized into playful, innovative, and professional. Now choose a font pairing. Then what type of the font style do you want? I am looking for more, since I have been choosing innovative. Let's just see how it looks. This is how it's going to be. Yeah, I have clicked on the next, and it is going to do everything on its own, without any more struggle or any more labor. Here, you see, I have simply answered a few questions, and it has created a site for me on its own. Here you see there's a site name, there are all the colors that I chose, all the font sizes, all the pages that I chose. Now you can also edit it and go to the necessary changes. This is the mobile mode. Most of the people are viewing their websites on the mobile, so this is how it's going to be. You see all the pages that I had selected, all of them are available. So just go to the edit if you want some more changes, if you want some more buttons, or you see there is going to be an option to add elements or edit design. You can do so many things. Here, the mobile mode is also present. So this is how you're going to create. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.